Looks promising.
Welcome back, cloud miners. I found a new app on Google Play that I thought looked promising. If you've seen my Bit Tycoon or Thundermine videos, it's a bit like that, but it's a little better in my opinion. So I was writing my tier list, going through, a lot of the apps, finding the trash ones, finding decent ones. So I actually just downloaded this today, and it's similar to Bit Tycoon or Thundermine, where you watch an ad, it gives you 2 hours of mining power. You can see that it goes up to 48, so it looks like you can watch 24 ads for 2 days worth of mining power. But I will say, I've had this app for less than 12 hours as of the making of this video, and I already have 8.6 sats. So if this goes over 24 hours, it could be somewhere around 20. But there are two main differences between this and those apps. This actually has a level up bar, and you can see that at 30 points, I'll level up to level 3. Level 1 was 20 points. So there's a couple ways to get these points. So the easiest way to gain the most points is logging in with the daily check-in. This gives you a little bit more mining power than just running the regular ad for 2 hours, and you get 4 points instead of 1. And you can see when I level up to level 2 that I have increased mining earnings. You saw that it was 10% for level 2, so I'm assuming level 3 is going to be 20%. And when I make my next video, I'll confirm that as well. So the next big difference between this and Big Tycoon and Thundermine is that the withdrawal fee is a lot lower. Now you can have a Binance account. I'm in the United States, so we don't have Binance, but I do have a trust wallet with the BNB Smart Chain, which I've done withdrawals for both Thundermine and Bit Tycoon. But the fee for Thundermine and Bit Tycoon is 790 sats compared to 28. That's just a drastic difference. And with the rewards seeming to be higher, like I said, just started using this today. This could go either way, and I will update you all. This could end up being quite a bit better than those apps. And just like those other apps, they do have contracts that you can buy, but just like those other two apps, these are monthly contracts. And if this does actually end up withdrawing, I might buy a small contract for 1 month just to see what it pays out. I'm not counting on anything, and generally I probably would try to avoid something like this. I'm just going to do it for the channel's sake. But just like Bit Tycoon and Thundermine, the minimum withdrawal is 2200 sats. So I'm going to need a little help from you guys. If you download this, please use my invite code. You do get a free mining contract. And normally I'd make this video with the withdrawal proof already made, but I'm making my tier list soon, so I want to have this withdrawn as soon as possible so I can properly rate it. And when I do make a withdrawal, I'll make a video with updated stats, the withdrawal tutorial, and any other additional things that I think are worth sharing to you guys. And if you go into the settings of the app, if you have any questions about the app, you can click how to use. It has a pretty decent tutorial, much better than what you see in most apps. But until I make an official withdrawal, I don't know if this is going to be real or not. Usually when you guys use my referrals, it comes pretty quick, so I'll let you guys know as soon as possible. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share it with a friend. I do my best to find the best Bitcoin and crypto cloud mining apps and break them down as well as I can. And if you want a free and easy way to support the channel, please use my Bitcoin Mining Master invite code that you see on the screen. It's also in the description with a link to the app. And if you find value in these videos, I have memberships for 99 cents a month. You get these videos out a bit earlier. I don't take any direct sponsorships or money from any of these cloud mining apps, so these videos come out as unbiased as possible. So when you do buy a membership, it helps support the channel, gets the videos out quicker. I, buy $2, $5 here and there, and that helps support that. But I want to thank all my members and people who watch my videos. And as always, until next time, I'll see you up in the clouds.